how to send a friend request on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to send friend requests on Facebook, you can follow the steps very easily. So for that, you can open up your Facebook application first and you should be finding this interface. So all you gotta do is you can search for the friend that you want to add. You can use the search bar in order to search for the friend, for example, one of this person. So what you can do is you can simply hit the follow button, or if they have a normal account, you will be finding add friend option here. But if it is a page, you will be finding a following option. Otherwise, you can also tap on the three dot beside the profile and tap on this add friend option in the very top, and your friend request will be on the way. So that is how you basically add friend on Facebook very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.